So we picked a drywall in one of the parts of the house, punched a hole through it. We weren't sure how far the other drywall was behind it. We found a stud in the middle, of course, which we had to make sure, because it was a little bit weight bearing, we reinforced the top after we cut it out. And directly behind the back drywall was a part of the pantry, and we had to remove a certain amount of depth of the shelves to give us just enough for the liquor cabinet to go in to sit a bottle as in the finished product. So this is the Onyx sheet. It's been cut to size now. Couldn't lift the first piece, it was so big. So this is the framework for the cabinet, just out of pine, putting on these side pieces because that's going to be flush against the plaster. We're going to be putting 4 shelves. The bottom one will be a shelf, and then we'll be putting 3 pieces of glass in here. So we opted for these, which are metal and a cap. So that's a little bit forgiving. Made a template out of some paper and put the smallest amount of a pinhole into each one. Got to be quick. We've got 1 bead of liquid nails all the way around. We've got to hurry before it skims. So we placed the frame directly on top and braced it all around. This is the Lumi panel profile. So there's side lit LEDs, 1 centimetre thick, fiberglass on the back with the clear sheet on the front, side lit LEDs, 1/4 inch thick, indoor outdoor driver, ready to power about 3 of these, plenty of juice and DC power. Switch this on and you can see the side lit LEDs throwing their light across the surface of this special etched background panel so that it gives even dispersed light with a clear perspex over the top. Rarely put the LED panel up against the back. That's the sunburst colour of this Onyx, acrylic Onyx, and you can have it a foot away. It lights it up really well. This is the Lumi panel. We put it in place already into the frame, and it's set back about 1/4 inch away, ready for the Onyx to go in to the frame. This is the moment of truth where the Onyx adhered to the back of the frame, putting it into position, sunken into the wall cavity.